uh, actually, I guess bounce can be just a negative number, and then I can just do dir.y times bounce, and then dir.z, dir.z, and then oh yeah, so also float duration, dir and dir. I'm a troll. Oh cool. Yeah, thank you, Light Man, I'll save the assets, and then I'll integrate. It's actually, I mean, I should be able to integrate them pretty fast. So hopefully I can do that today. If I run out of time, I'll do that first thing tomorrow. There's a slim chance I'll do it off camera, because I was saying I might hook up the credits off camera. Maybe I'll hook them up on camera tomorrow, because why not? I don't know. We'll see. Float dir, so, and then also float, or yeah, whatever, duration. Public float duration. Alright, that's bad naming conventions. I'll admit that. Equals like 5, I guess. So yeah, at start, dir equals etc. Dir equals duration plus time dot time. Alright, so actually, yeah, the first thing to do is if dir. Oh yeah, no. Oh, this is the silly name for it. So no, it'll be time. I guess whatever. No, that's an even worse name. Life, I guess, whatever. Life. If life is less than time dot time, then that's the end of the story. Destroy this dot game object. But yeah, otherwise transform, and then the bounce, and then oh yeah, gravity. So dir minus equals transform dot up times gravity times time dot delta time. Smooth delta time, my favorite blues standard. Nope. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, so is this, I think this might work. So now we can just spawn stars. So alright, so so bool 1 equals false. So when you win, 1 equals true, and then this whole update thing can be an else to 1. If 1, we'll do a thing, else we'll do everything else we used to do in fixed update, or in update. So we can indent all of this. Yeah. Pretty sweet. Alright, so if we won, let's have a star timer, I guess, so that we don't go completely overboard with stars. Float star time equals 0, public float star CD equals 0.05 maybe, I don't know, that might be too much. Or too little, I mean. Save that. Yeah, I got your tweet, Lighter Man. I'll save the asset in just a bit. I'm just trying to cram in this last feature before I run out of time. Alright, so yeah, so if 1 if one, where is it? If star time is less than time dot time, we will instantiate star prefab. Oh, we don't have star prefab yet, but star prefab. Oh yeah, we need to figure out where this will go. So it'll be I guess like star. It'll be oh yeah. So when we win, we have to decide the star location. Oh cool. Yeah, yeah. That could be useful if you use Yeah, and I guess I could have done this for this project too. If you use Unity's physics, you have to use fixed time instead of time, but that would have been doable, yeah. So star pause is also not a real thing, and then star prefab prefab dot transform dot rotation is definitely not a real thing either, because star prefab is not a real thing. Oh, and then also yeah, star time equals time dot time plus star cooldown. Save that. So star pause and star prefab have to be a thing. Oh yeah, star prefab public game object star prefab has to be a thing. Vector3 star pause has to be a thing, and then public float star height equals 1 unit, I guess like, I don't know, 3F. For starters, we can tune that. Whoa, chat. Sorry, I'll catch up on chat in whoa, T. Warrens, you are burning the midnight oil. Thank you for hanging out with me. Yeah, yeah. Thank you guys for hanging out. If you guys want me to put you out of your misery, I could just kill the stream at this point. I mean, yeah, so just a heads up if anyone missed me the last time I said it, but I'm probably going to wrap up the stream in about 10 minutes or so. The last thing I'll do, hopefully I can finish the stars, and then the last thing I'll do is to look for a new stream, and we can bomb into their channel just to be fun, because I like doing stuff like that. It's fun to do stuff like that sometimes. But I'll catch up in, anyways. It's happening, Light Man. I never know how to interpret your things. I tend to interpret them as like trollish, but I guess like you probably don't mean to be trollish right now. But I don't know, it comes off as trollish. Anyways, I'll try not to interpret what you say. I'll try and give you the benefit of the doubt and assume you're not being trollish. Alright, so yeah, so the other thing we have to do when we win is yeah, where's the part where we like 1 equals true? Yeah, alright, so star. Oh yeah, alright, so actually check tower has to return so alright, so int st or wt equals check tower dest, so if wt not equals -1, then 1 equals true star. Yeah, hold on, let's go declaration. Yeah, int return I, otherwise return -1. Save that. Go back. So yeah, 1 equals true star pause equals equals wind tower. Wind tower is WT dot transform. Wow, chat's blown up. I'll check it eventually. I just want to finish this first. Position. Yeah. So so then we instantiate star. So it'll be star pause plus transform dot up times star height. Yeah. All right. Let's see how that goes. Wow. All right. I don't know if I'll actually catch up on chat. I'll try to, but I might do it after the stream. I'll stay in chat if I do. If I have to do that. All right. Save all this. Does that just work now? No. Oh right. Yeah. So I have to wait. What? Oh yeah. 0.5 f. Derp. Always f. Always f. Because as reliant as float is on, or as Unity is on floats, it never expects floats. For some reason, it always expects doubles. What? A float? No, it couldn't possibly. It must obviously be a double, despite the fact that no one actually uses doubles. Windist 10. Right. It's Windist. Mustache Tower. Yeah, look, we're gonna win. We're gonna win. Nope. Oh, I didn't set the star prefab, right? Because that's what I always do. It's what I always don't. Yep. It's right up my alley. Alright, so star prefab, go, 5 gazillion movements, none of the windists. Alright, here we go. We got this. We got this, you guys. Alright, so not enough gravity. Not enough gravity is like the obvious one. Alright, so star prefab. Gravity 0.2. Still not enough gravity? Oh no, there we go. Not enough duration, so make it last longer, I guess. Not enough speed in general, so let's try like 10. Still not enough gravity. 4. I might want to cheat the direction so that it yeah, I like star explosions. It's definitely in my MO. Oh, I'm not spawning the. All right, so wait. Oh wait, no, I was doing that to the prefab, so those values get to stay actually. What was I? Oh yeah, I'm not putting the stars in a bucket, so they're just going all over the place. As game object. Oh no, not creating. As game object, weirdo. Game object. Game object star equals etc. Star dot transform dot position star transform dot parent. No, parent, you weirdo. Equals bucket. Alright, and so now the last thing, I'll tune the height so that it looks less weird. And that might be the last thing that I do. I might have to call it after that because we have barely enough time to do anything else. Oh yeah, wait, hold on. I want to set the max turns to gazillion and set the min distance down to nothing, so that way we can just cut right to the chase. There it is. And then approach it from, yeah, whatever. Alright, so that could be okay. I just need the star height to be higher. That's better. Could be even slightly better still. So like 0.2 maybe? Yeah. No, we can be better still. 0.5 I guess. Yeah, I like that. Still want more gravity, I think. Yeah, more gravity. So gravity like 0.8. Maybe even slightly more gravity, like 1.2 maybe. That they definitely seem more bouncy now. That might be too much gravity. Let's put it down to like 0.8 again. 0.8 seems fine. And I think I'm satisfied with this. So I think I'm gonna call that. It's not done, but it's like we're basically there. So I'll put this build online. I'm gonna. Okay. So the last thing I'll do before I end the stream. Yeah. If you feel like it, there's a follow button underneath the stream. Feel free to click that if you had fun today and would care to watch again. I'll let you know when I'm streaming. If you scroll down even further below the like in the info pane, there's a link to my Twitter account, so you can follow me there if you want to hear about what's happening in the future, what I'll be doing on stream. It's another way to keep alert. Hey, Lighter Man. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for thank you for following. I'm probably gonna be wrapping up this project early tomorrow, and then I'll probably be doing other stuff after that as well. So and then this weekend is probably gonna be like the jam that I keep talking about. So yeah. So now last thing, I'm just gonna switch over to Facecam for a second, because last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for another channel for us to bomb, just because I enjoy that sort of thing. It amuses me to no end. So yeah, here we go. Who is my favorite? Oh, this guy, right? This guy? No, is this who I'm thinking of? No, who's this guy? Sorry. Oh no, maybe this is. No, who is this? Hold on, wait. I need my. Oh wait, I need. Oh wow, they went offline. Right as I was about to watch theirs. So maybe this guy. Maybe. Let's see. I have to turn off volume. Wait, hold on. I can use my earbuds. Just gonna scope it out. Just scout ahead. See what's happening. See how it's going. See what's good. Survey says this guy. All right. No, I know who we're bombing. It's an easy question. I usually try and find someone who's like less known, who's like less well known, so that I can help like boost someone who's starting out. But no, this is easy. Yeah, thank you everyone for following. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say goodbye, and then I have to wait for stream delay so that what is it? So yeah, so wait for stream delay so that the thing when I say goodbye it doesn't get cut off, and then I'll kick it over to this other channel. So thank you everyone for tuning in. I wouldn't be doing this. I literally wouldn't be doing this without if not for you guys. So I really appreciate your support, and thank you for watching. Again, there are like follow buttons all over the place. So if you care to see me again in the future at any point, like find the follow buttons and click those. I certainly hope to see you again at some point. Thank you for everyone who participated and contributed stuff to this jam, like ideas and designs and art and assets and all that good stuff. It's fantastic. I'm gonna catch up on chat uh, in chat after the stream. So I haven't forgotten about that. And so this is so now I will wish you all a great night, and then I'll wait for stream delay, and then I'll kick it over. So if you're seeing this part, it's because I did not time the stream delay very well. Doop 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 doodly doot doot. Sorry if you're hearing this. All right, so hopefully that's good. Bam. Did that work? Hopefully that worked. I will hop off the stream as soon as I realize whether that worked. Yeah, alright, that seemed to work. Alright, cool. GG.